Hey guys, I wanted to make a little quick short video to explain something about a video that some of you will be watching here before too long. It's ready to get posted. I made a video of me doing this countertop, and in the process of me doing it, my camera took a dump on me and it just stopped recording. It just shut off, and I lost from that moment, from when it shut off to the end, which, I mean, it wasn't but a few minutes, and all I was doing really was, saying thank you for watching, I appreciate you guys and stuff like that. But I don't want you to watch it and all of a sudden the video just stopped, and I can't edit nothing in for some reason. My computer's messing up. I'm just having all kind of problems with this, getting these videos posted. But that's what this is all about. This little video here, I just wanted to, when you watch this video of me doing this countertop and it just stops it, it's a long video too because I can't edit it. My computer won't let me edit it. I'm having to do this, what I'm doing now, on my phone, and I can't edit on my phone for some reason, or I don't know how to, if I can. But so I just didn't want you to think that I just shut the video off and I didn't care about how it ended or anything like that, which is not true. I do care about how it ends. I try to do the best I can with what I got right now. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you get any value out of them, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't got yourself subscribed yet. Every little bit helps me get higher in the queue. I really do appreciate you guys. Without you, I wouldn't have no reason to do this. I mean, other than the fact I love to do it, but you're the main reason I do it. That's the honest to God truth. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I do appreciate it, and have a good night.